12 men can build a wall in 9 days. And the number of men, 12 men, the number of days, 9 days. Key thing here, the number of men increases, then the number of days will reduce. More people are working, stuff will get done quicker. The number of men reduces, then the number of days will increase. So if this doubles and say this becomes 24, this will become half, 4.5. If this halves and becomes 6, this will double and become 18. So the number of men is inversely proportional to number of days, or the total number of man days of work is a constant. Number of men into number of days is the same. More men work, it will get done quicker. Fewer men are there, it will take longer. Or this task requires 12 into 9, 108 man days of work. You can have 108 men working one day, or one man working 108 days, or any combination in between, and this task will get done. So what does this mean? We now have 27 men working. How do we do this? So totally 12 into 9, 108 man days of work remaining. This is same as 27 men working for some number of days. 108 is 27 into something. This something is 108 divided by 27, which is 4. 27 fours are 108. 27 into 2 is 54. 54 into 2 is 108. Or 27 men will take 4 days to complete this task.